My name's Katie. I'm Katie Went Manning. I'm Doofus Adventures, and I'm here in Quartzsite. And if you're looking for Crafty Traveler, I found her.
What do you think of my new hat? My friend Katie made it. Doofus Adventures. Check her out. Today is Friday the 13th, 2023. This is a glorious Quartzsite sunrise. It's gonna be a good day. Hi there, you have found the Crafty Traveler channel. My name is Lonnie and I'm a 71-year-old female who loves to camp and travel. I travel with my little Schnauzer Snickers, who can be a bit noisy at times. We love to go to the desert in the winter, the mountains in the summer, the seashore whenever we can. Sometimes I travel alone, and other times I love to travel with a group. I belong to a wonderful group of ladies that love to camp and have a good time. We do activities like painting. Sometimes I do sewing tutorials. I love to visit quilt shops, go to quilt retreats, and quilt shows. Come along and follow us. Comment, share, and subscribe to my channel and see where we go next. Thanks for watching. Hi, it's Lonnie with Crafty Traveler, and today is Friday, January the 13th, 2023. Today, I'll be going with some of my friends here from camp over to the Rtr Open House. In the morning, the open house is the bigger rigs, and the afternoon are the vans and smaller rigs. So come on along, see what I see and who I see. Stay tuned for more. Friday the 13th was the beginning of the RTR and ending of the WRTR, and that was the schedule. First, we listened to Bob Wells and Sue Carlson make some announcements and ask some fun questions. There's the airplanes over there. They actually have a food truck here today. First time RTR has food trucks. First day of the RTR, the Big Rig Open House so far. This is a built-on cabin on a chassis. Very cool. Very cool. He also has a quilt in the back.
I'm from Manhattan, Kansas. This rig was
Kenny Faust.
An accident. The stairs broke today, but the deck folds up, the top folds down, it clamps onto the sides to keep a nice, good, strong structure. I got a cedar chest that my great-grandfather made for my grandmother. I've got a Barster bookcases that out of my dad's office. I got an induction cooktop in a neat little drawer in my pots and pans that came out of this box. Now my refrigerator. And then I've got stuff that, so this is my slide out closet, and my shower's in here, my composting toilet, and then this part folds up so that I can pass through here.
Who made the quilt?
That actually was a friend of mine's mother from years ago, and then so this is like my grandmother's stuff. Let's see. There's a bunch more old stuff that was from the family, and I can't even think.
Thanks,
of all of it.
Kenny. Thanks a lot. There's more rigs. There's Katie. More rigs. Seems like there's mostly vans and trucks. A few big bread trucks here, like this one. And they're going to be pulling out, and the smaller rigs are going to come in. All right, this is Katie, and this is her van, and you said you built it out yourself.
I did.
Could you please tell me about it?
Well, I built it in 2019, and at the time you could still get decent wood for a decent price.
Right.
So I was lucky that way. And I designed it specifically for the way I wanted it to be. And, so what else do you want to know?
Okay, how long is it?
It is 17 and a half feet.
And it is a Dodge, right?
The Rtr Pro
Rtr Pro Master.
Yeah.
Yes. Beautiful. So are you living full-time or part-time?
No, I live full-time in a 24-foot travel trailer.
Uh-huh.
So this is my traveling.
Do you tow your trailer with the van?
No.
Okay.
My trailer doesn't go anywhere.
It just stays there.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Nice. Nice. Beautiful work.
Thank you.
Beautiful work. Thank you so much, Katie. I appreciate it.
All right.
I met Fox Van D.
Woohoo!
And Gracie and Jax and B-Bear. Yay!
Yeah.
We're having fun. Rows and rows of campers and vans here at the RTR on Friday the 13th. And this is Travel Grandma's van, and she's got a new top on it. And she's also advertising Nomads Down the Road, the website we're all communicating in. And there's Travel Grandma with the cowboy hat.
And this is the new website.
There's Travel Grandma, and this is the inside of her van.
We have a map on there to where you may be able to connect with somebody as you're traveling, and they may offer you their drive. Like this is Crafty Travel.
Right here. Other YouTubers I met, Carol of Glorious Life on Wheels, Tristan of SURVing. His videos scare me. He does a lot of rock climbing and hiking in dangerous places. Also, Diane of Cultivate Life. She has a beautiful van. Check out their YouTube channels. This is Lisa, and this is the inside of her finished camper truck that they've been working on at our campsite over at High Jolly. Thank you, Lisa.
You're welcome.
This is Cindy, and this is her little Fiat.
This is the second smallest car in the United States. The only smaller car is a Fit, what do they call it?
Fit,
No.
The Volkswagen Beetle.
The Smart for Two.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, you're kind of small.
I'm not that small.
So this is Cindy's Fiat. And those little Tinker Toy things are drawers.
They're not Tinker Toys,
Oh.
they're Legos.
Legos, excuse me. Yes, how cute.
Yeah,
Where did you find those?
on the Lego website.
Wow, very cool.
And these lift up.
Oh,
There's storage also. And this one doesn't have its lid and it keeps my utensils.
okay, good. Thank you. And this is the inside of her little Fiat. Here's her bed, and she has more of the little shelves there. And there's her potty. Got to have those. Very cute. She told me that the driver's seat and the back seat are taken out.
And
So-
I have, my battery unit sits in this seat when I'm parked.
Okay,
And this is my solar panels.
okay. All
My
right.
potty.
Yeah.
So,
Everybody's got to have a
believe it
potty.
or not, that's in there too.
Yep. Hello, I'm gone. Lots of background noise. There we go. Did you hear that? Hi there. Well, what did you think of all those vans and motorhomes? Some of them were really spectacular. And that little Fiat, that was a trip. The smallest car. And the lady sleeps in it and camps in it. That's pretty amazing. The other one was Kenny's wooden cabin on the chassis of the 2002 motorhome. That was pretty spectacular. And I saw some of the people that I watch, like Box Van D, Bee Bear, Gracie and her dog Jacques, and Diane of Cultivate Life, and Tristan of SURVing. It was so much fun to meet them and get a picture of them with me. And then, of course, Travel Grandma was there with her new van. Actually, it's the same van, but it has a high top. And Lisa, who's my neighbor here at camp, and they built out the back of her pickup shell. That was pretty good. It was a long day, but we enjoyed ourselves. We did see Bob Wells, but I didn't stand in line to shake his hand this year, but I got a picture of him. All right, well, tomorrow, the more of the RTR and other things to see and hear about, and hopefully I'll meet up with some more of my YouTube friends. All right, stay crafty, smart, creative, and safe. Give me that thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe. I really appreciate all that subscribe to me. Thank you very much. Good night.